Children, now we are going to see exercise 7.2. First question, find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are length equal to 20 cm, breadth equal to 15 cm, height equal to 8 cm. First we have to apply to the direct formula. Total surface area of the cuboid is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now they have given L as 20 cm, B as 15 cm, H as 8 cm. So directly we have to apply to the formula 2 into L into B, that is 20 into 15, plus B into H, 15 into 8, plus H into L, 8 into 20. 20 into 15, 300, 15 into 8, 120, 2 into 20, 160. Now we need to add this value. The added value is 580. Now we have to multiply with 2. Now 2 into 580, the value is 2 into 0, 0. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So the total surface area of a cuboid is 1160 centimeter square. Whether it is a square, we have to put the square unit, so it is centimeter square. Next, lateral surface area, the formula is 2 into H into L plus B. Now 2, H 8, L 20 plus B 15. Now 20 plus 15, 35. 2 into 8, 16. Now 16 into 35, the value is 560. It is a lateral surface area, so that we must put the square unit, that is centimeter square. And next, question number 2. The dimension of a cuboidal box are 6 meter into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. Here we have to first equating the units, so that meter we have to change as, we have centimeter we have to change as meter. We are going to change this centimeter alone to the meter, so that it will be 400 centimeter to meter. 400 divided by 100 meter, it will be 4 meter. This is the B value. L value 6 meter, H value 1.5 meter. Now we have to find the entire outer surface area first. For that we need to find total surface area. We know the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. LH. We can write LH or as HL. Both is equal only. Now 2 into L into B 6 into 4, B into H 4 into 1.5, H into L 1.5 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 4 into 1.5 6, 1.5 into 6 9. Now we have to add this value, we get 39. Now 2 into 39 meter square, 39 into 2 we have to multiply. 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 78 meter square. The cost of painting 1 meter square, they have given 22. We need to find total cost of painting, that is for 78 meter square, which is 78 into 22. The value is 1716. Next, question number 3. The dimensions of a hall is 10 meter, 9 meter, 8 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall and the ceiling at the rate of 8.5 per meter square. Here we should not take the base value, so that the formula little bit change. The required formula is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Here 2 will not multiplied with LB. So we have to substitute the value now. 2 into, here given L value 10 meter, B 9, H 8. We have to substitute the value 10 into 8, 9 into 8 plus 10 into 9. Here we have to add this value and we have to multiply with 2. Afterwards we have to add with 10 into 9, 90. Okay. So now we will get 2 into 80 plus 72 plus 90. Now 80 plus 72 will be 152. Now 2 into 152 will be 304 plus 90 will be 394 meters square. This is the total area we need to whitewash. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing per meter square is 8.50. Cost of whitewashing 394 meter square is nothing but 394 into 8.50. When we multiply it, we will get the total cost value, which is 3349. Next, question number 4. Find the TSA and LSA of the cube whose side is 8 meter, 21 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter. TSA of a cube, the formula is 6a square. LSA of a cube, the formula is 4a square. First we will take the first subdivision, 8 meter. 6 into a square, which is 8 square. So 8 square value 64. So 6 into 64, the value is 384 meters square, which is TSA. Next, LSA of a cube is 4 into a square. So 4 into a square, 8 square 64. So 4 into 64 equal to 256 meters square. Same method, subdivision 2 and subdivision 3. Next, question number 5. The total surface area of a cube is 2400 centimeter square. Then find its lateral surface area. They have given total surface area. By using that, we can find the a square value. Then we can multiply by 4. Then it will be the lateral surface area. So 6 into a square is 2400. We can divide by 6 to get a square. So 2400 divided by 6. Now 4 into a square is 4 into 2400 divided by 6. Now we have to divide this. 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24. So 2 zeros we have. So 400 it will be. Now 4 into 400, the answer is 1600 centimeter square. This is the value of LSA, that is lateral surface area. Next, question number 6. The cubical container of a side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface. Find the area to be painted and the total cost of painting at the rate of 24 per meter square. Here cubical container we are going to paint. Here we are going to painting the total surface area, so that we have to use the formula 6 into a square. 6. They have given the a 6.5. A square means 6.5 into 6.5. When we multiply, we will get 253.5 meters square. Now cost of painting 1 meter square is 24. So that the cost of painting 253.5 meters square is 253.5 into 24. The value is 6084. So do the question number 7 as your homework. Next exercise 7.3 we are going to see. First question, find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are length 12 cm, breadth 8 cm, height 6 cm. Volume of cuboid, the formula is L into B into H. So we have to simply multiply this value to get the volume. So L into B into H is nothing but the given value 12 into 8 into 6. The value is 576. Here it is a volume, so that we must mention unit cube, so that the given unit is centimeter. So it is centimeter cube. Next question number 2. First question subdivision 2 as your homework you just do. Next question number 2. The dimension of a match box are 6 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. Find the volume of a packet containing 12 such match boxes. First we have to find volume of one match box. Afterwards, with that value we have to multiply 12. Okay. So dimension of the match box they have given 6 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. To get the volume we have to multiply that. 6 into 3.5 into 2.5, the value is 52.5. This is volume of one box. Now we need to find volume of 12 such boxes by multiplying the value 12. Now 12 into 52.5 is nothing but 630 centimeter cube. Next question number 3. The length, breadth and height of a chocolate box are in the ratio 5:4:3. If its volume is 7500 centimeter cube, then find its dimension. Here they didn't give the value directly, they have given the ratio. So we have to take the values as 5x, 4x, 3x. They have given the volume is 7500, that is 5x into 4x into 3x equal to 7500, because L into B into H is the formula for volume. So that 5x into 4x into 3x equal to 7500. Here 5 into 4 20 into 3 60, x into x into x, x cube. So 60 x cube equal to 7500. We need to find x value here. So first we will take 62 here. So 7500 divided by 60. When we simplify this, we will get 125. This is a value of x cube. We know that cubic value of 125 is nothing but 5. So x equal to 5. Now we need to find the dimensions value. The given ratios are 5x, 4x, 3x. So that the dimensions of chocolate box is 5 into x 25, 4 into x 20, 3 into x 15. This is the required answer. Next, question number 4. The length, breadth and depth of a pond are 20.5 meter, 16 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find the capacity of the pond in liters. Here we need to find the capacity in liter. So first we have to find the capacity by using the formula L into B into H. We have to multiply the given values. When we multiply, we get 20.5 into 16 into 8. The value is 2624 meter cube. Here the given unit is meter, so that the capacity in meter cube. We need to find the volume in liters, they said. So we have to convert meter to liter. We know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. Here 2624 meter cube is equal to 2624. We have to multiply with 1000. So it is 26,24,000 liters. This is our required final answer. Next, question number 5. The dimensions of a brick are 24 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter. How many such bricks will be required to build a wall of 20 meter length, 48 meter breadth and 6 meter height? Here we need to find required number of wall. Simply we can divide the volume of wall by volume of brick. Here we have to take the parameters of wall in capital letter LBH and the parameters of bricks in small letter LBH. Here parameter of wall capital L 20 meter, we need to convert into centimeter, so that it is 2000 centimeter. Breadth is 48 centimeter, height is 6 meter, we have to convert into centimeter, it is 600 centimeter. Now parameters of brick L 24 centimeter, B 12 centimeter, H 8 centimeter. We need to find the number of bricks required to build the wall equal to volume of wall divided by volume of brick. Both is a formula LBH. Both will have a formula L into B into H, because it is a cuboid. So that capital L into B into H divided by small L into B into H. So we have to substitute these value to the formula and we need to simplify. When we cancel the common terms, we will get 1000 into 25. So number of bricks required equal to 25,000. That is our final answer. Next, question number 6. The volume of container is 1440 meter cube. The length and breadth of the container are 15 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find its height. We know that volume L into B into H they have given, which is equal to 1440. They have given the value of L and B. We need to find a H. So H is nothing but volume divided by L into B. So total volume 1440 divided by L value 15, B value 8. When we simplify this, we will get the answer 12 meter. So required height is nothing but 12 meter. Next question number 7. Find the volume of a cube each of whose side is 5 centimeter, 3.5 meter, 21 meter. The cube volume of cube is nothing but A cube. Here first question 5 centimeter, A value 5 centimeter. Now volume of cube is nothing but A cube, that is a 5 cube, which is 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. Here it is a volume, so we have to put centimeter cube. This is our final answer. Remaining 2 questions do as your homework. I will meet you in next class. Thank you so much.